This is video number 7 in our Building in Jamaica series, where we show you how we move from this to this to this. In our last video, we brought you from the foundation right up to the decking, and so we'll pick up there and tell you all about what happens next in the process. I am Sasha, you'll see Rory in the video, and welcome to our channel, Hacked by Ebanks. We're finally at the stage of pouring our first slab. KCC came and inspected the work done and gave us the go-ahead to start pouring. We decided to get the ready mix, or pre-mix as we call it in Jamaica, for both of our slabs, and we're going to be using the manual mix for our ground floor. We have a comprehensive video comparing both of them, both the technique and the cost, so you can go ahead and check that out. For our pour, we decided to use a company called Coast to Coast, who turned out to be very reasonable when we compared their prices to their competitors. This is a concrete truck backing up right now, and guys, it took them about half an hour to set up everything and about 10 minutes to pour out the entire slab.
Yeah, man, I come down. Yes, you can see it's starting to dry already, so I need to wet it up. They recommend about 4 times per day. They just let to continue make it moist. But it's getting tougher already, so that's good. And we had to manually fill up most of the one over there. So we knew that we were going to have some extra cement left over, so what we did is we just cast that wall instead of running blocks there. But it looks pretty good. Level. Not sure if you can see the little string. It's the height. At about 30 minutes. That's it. And the plumbing, I think I did a good job with the plumbing. So I had a plumber and helping out first, and then I had to do some additional plumbing work or some changes. It turned out pretty good. That big pipe going to the roof. The drain, we have another one over there.
Don't wet me up enough?
Mine.
Say what's up the whole of the sun? Breeze not blow tonight.
There's a met back. Progress update. So there's our primary bath. So we still had to do some more digging on the ground floor for our plumbing. So we're rerouting our existing main drain, and what's happening is under the helpers quarters there's an existing manhole which we're moving. So we're going to run the manhole over to here, and this is bigger than I wanted. So this is going to be a manhole creating a grease trap also for the kitchen and a gully basin. So we're going to have a shower, toilet, sink and a closet for that side, and then the rest of it is going to be the bedroom. So we already started to put in some electrical. So you can see that's a plug right there, and on the patio one is right behind it. Saturday evening late we did this. It's also light switch, and that will turn on the light in the help us water bathroom and also in the help us water this stuff. Also have another pipe that goes upstairs. So our laundry room is behind here, and our existing water pump is connected to it. So we have to run a pipe to the roof. We're actually gonna move one of our other tanks, water tanks, to the roof. And we'll have some more pipes to run. So once the props comes on from in here, the plumber and the electrician will be running some pipes in the ground. So water pipe, the drain pipe, all of that. But it's difficult to work in here now because of the props, and the props are coming down this morning finally. This is the place open up. So this is even more dirt again. We'll move some of the dirt already, but in due time. That's upstairs. So because we're fully blocked up now, it's difficult to get upstairs, so we have to build a longer ladder. And even the separator wall in between is upstairs. So some of the ply is taken down. It's taken down. So I guess the electrician kind of got away with himself. Started digging. So first he digged this one. Then he decided to dig that one. And then he started to dig that. But I had to tell him that there's one pipe coming down, so he just had to join it into one of these and then dig this one after. To me, that would have been the easier route to just start with. So to connect box to box right here and then just run one pipe up. I would have chosen this route. It's shorter, but then the bends are kind of tighter, so that's why I went with that one. So I have two plugs out here, and also have a plug here and a light. Can't have too much plugs. So this will be coming down this morning also, and we did some more digging here. So this pipe is actually coming from our roof. So the plan is to bring it down to the ground and water some plants with it. So that's pretty much it for the ground floor. We need to go a little lower here, so when the concrete pours it comes back up to level. So we have a level that we're working with, which is, this is an existing slab. So we're gonna try and come back to this level, or a little bit above it, because we'll have space inside. And we haven't decided if we're gonna tile as yet. So I'm gonna put up the ladder and show you our primary bath. So we'll have two windows in it. This will be one, which is a 2x4 window, which we're gonna put over the vanity. And we have a wide and narrow window right at the top. It's gonna be a 5 feet wide, 18 inches tall. Beside that, the closet has a window, 3 wide, 18 inches tall. 4x4 wheel in the bedroom. So my wife and son have to take with themselves.
You can believe.
Yeah. So it's a come inside.
That's okay. If you just leave that blowing out in the suburb, it's too dependent on that. That's good.
So I can buy them off the shelf? Them chemical here?
It's not like to do it.
Figure.
Look funny, please. Look at that. I don't know how to. Yeah, look funny now. Go on the truth.
So that I go soak up in the ground good man.
You see this part of the pipe and all that comes right at the wall?
Yeah.
So then you are going to close to come up.
The gap.
And lock it down.
You see all the pipe over there, so you can throw some in it, you know. That 3-inch pipe over there. Throw some in it. Because we're going to cover up the pipe there. One old manual leader there, and that's where the vent feed.
And look, come up in.
Yeah, man. But I
And
know.
you see like how the sun come up in the east and set in the west?
Yeah.
You don't know how. Sunrise side, the night, that part of the house, you gotta get cooler for when the sun is curved up. And that is the part of the place where they curve.
Watch the wire, you know. Give me.
We've come to the end of another video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button now. Give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Stay safe, guys.